यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है। हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है। यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है। हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है। तुझे अब ये दिखाना है। मुश्किल कोई आ जाए तो, पर्वत कोई टकराए तो, ताकत कोई दिखलाए तो, तूफान कोई मंडलाए तो। मुश्किल कोई आ जाए तो, पर्वत कोई टकराए तो, पर से चाहे अंबर से आग लिपटे चाहे पैरों से नाग, पर से चाहे अंबर से आग लिपटे चाहे पैरों से नाग। पाएगा जो लक्ष्य है तेरा, लक्ष्य तो हर हाल में पाना है। हिम्मत से जो कोई चले, धरती हिले कदमों तले। क्या दूरियां क्या फासले, मंजिल लगे आके गले। हिम्मत से जो कोई चले, धरती हिले कदमों तले। तू चल यूं ही अब सुबह शाम, रुकना झुकना नहीं तेरा काम। तू चल यूं ही अब सुबह शाम, रुकना झुकना नहीं तेरा काम। पाएगा जो लक्ष्य है तेरा, लक्ष्य तो हर हाल में पाना है। यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है। हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है। तुझे अब ये दिखाना है।
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tips Official.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात, हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात, आशाएं लेकर सूरज से आग आग, गाए जा अपना राग राग, आशाएं कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा, खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
सभी आपका स्वागत करते हैं निर्मला कॉन्वेंट सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल रतलाम के वार्षिक दिन समारोह में। So, dear audience, can you hear the music? Oh, what a vibrant touch it adds to the atmosphere. The rhythmic melodies are truly enhancing the experience, setting a perfect tone for the arrival of our distinguished guests. Now, our guests are arriving, escorted by the NCS band, filling this moment with a sense of celebration and grandeur.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. May I have your finally, the most awaited occasion has arrived. The chief guest of today's function, Mr. Rakesh Khaka, Additional Superintendent of Police. The guest of honor, Mrs. Anita Sagar, District Educational Officer, and Mr. Benjamin Franklin, Superintendent Engineer, along with Reverend Sister Stella Angelo, the manager of our school. Reverend Sister Shanti, the principal of our school. Reverend Sister Swarna, the vice principal of our school, are marching towards the celebration arena. It is a proud moment for all of us as they are here with us today. Let us all stand and welcome our honorable dignitaries with a huge round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats and get ready to feel the thrill and excitement of today's special occasion. Wow, what a wonderful evening it is. The sparkling lights and the soothing melodies. For so long, I have been waiting for this moment. Do you know what celebration we are here for today?
Yes, I know.
Well, you're not the only one who knows what's happening around. I know too. And let me tell you that today we are going to celebrate something truly special.
Wait. Before we dive into the celebration, we should welcome the gathering. A very warm good evening, namaste to all the dignitaries, parents, invitees, well-wishers and friends.
स्वागत है सभी मेहमानों का इस वार्षिक दिन समारोह में। आप सभी की उपस्थिति हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। हम सभी एक साथ मिलकर इस खास दिन को मनाने के लिए यहाँ एकत्रित हुए हैं। तो आइए इस अवसर का आनंद लें और एक साथ अपनी खुशियों को साझा करें। धन्यवाद।
It's wonderful to see so many smiling faces here with us today. For those who don't know us, I am Nishwa Khan
And I'm Shifa Khan.
will be your host for this annual event, and we are gathered here to celebrate the diverse culture and traditions of Madhya Pradesh, and it promises to be an exciting and inspiring event for all.
Dear audience, today we have gathered to celebrate the annual function of Nirmala Convent Senior Secondary School, Ratlam. It is an opportunity for all of us to reflect on our values, our rich heritage, ethics, and progress. This is truly one of the most special and spectacular event of the year.
What's new in this? Well, everyone knows that various programs will be presented. But let's keep the suspense alive for our audience, shall we?
Absolutely, Qasim. And with that excitement, I, Amisha, along with my co-anchor Qasim, warmly welcome you all on behalf of Nirmala Convent School to this annual day celebration of 2024-25.
When I understood and accepted my mistake, I realized that I was consumed by my own darkness. But as it is rightly said that darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that. And a ray of light is indeed a ray of hope.
To begin our evening's program, we will have a traditional and auspicious lamp lighting ceremony symbolizing the enlightenment of knowledge. I would now like to invite our esteemed guests for the lighting of the Samai.
We call upon Mr. Rakesh Khaka, Additional Superintendent of Police, Ratlam,
Mrs. Anita Sagar, District Educational Officer, Ratlam,
Mr. Benjamin Franklin, Superintending Engineer, MPEB,
Reverend Sister Stella Angelo, Manager of Nirmala Convent School,
Reverend Sister Shanti, Principal of Nirmala Convent School,
Mrs. Alka Rathore, Teacher Representative,
and Shruti Songra, Head Girl of the school, to light the Samai. May this auspicious moment bring the forth knowledge and wisdom.
the God's blessings and wisdom, so that we may make this world a better place to live in. May all human beings live in a harmony with nature and all the forms of life.
असतोमा सद्गमय तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति
Thank you all for this honor.
Namisha, do you know our school Nirmala Convent is marching forward with a smile, going the extra mile in the momentous task of molding young minds?
Yes, of course. This temple of true knowledge is known for its mission to nurture every child, guiding them to become compassionate and discerning individual through holistic education.
But as it is rightly said that invocation is a form of supplication, seeking God's blessings.
Indeed, I agree with you, Qasim.
So let us begin this function, imploring the blessings and the presence of Almighty God. Now let's move towards our prayer dance. I would like to call students of class 7th as they invoke God's blessings upon us.
करती है, सत्य है नियम प्रभु का जो ज्ञान देती है। खुदा की शरीयत कामिल जाँ बहाल करती है, सत्य है नियम प्रभु का जो ज्ञान देती है। सिद्ध है प्रभु का वचन दिल को सुकून देता है, आज्ञा प्रभु की निर्मल नैनों की ज्योति है। आकाश मंडल ईश्वर की महिमा वर्णन करता है, और फजाएं उसकी हस्तकला को, और फजाएं उसकी हस्तकला को प्रकट ही करता है। आकाश मंडल ईश्वर की महिमा वर्णन करता है।
Amazing! Watching this beautiful dance, we can truly feel the presence of God among us. Thank you, friends, for creating such an heavenly atmosphere here. Today, we are blessed to have a distinguished guest among us. Welcome to बनता है. स्वामी विवेकानंद says, अतिथि का स्वागत करना हमारी संस्कृति है. अतिथि से मिलने पर उसे अपने दिल से सम्मान देना चाहिए, क्योंकि उसका आगमन हमारे जीवन में खुशी और सौभाग्य लेकर आता है. Welcoming a guest is our culture. One should honor a guest from the heart, because their arrival brings happiness and fortune into our lives. With this word, I invite Maria Khan and Sadika Khan of class 11 and Shifat of class 10 to come forward and extend a warm welcome to our distinguished guest of the day.
A very warm and cordial welcome to everyone at this year's annual function at Nirmala Convent School 2024-25. It is with great joy and anticipation that we have gathered here today to commemorate the spirit, talent, and achievements that make our school a shining beacon of education and culture. Today, we are honored to have distinguished guests with us. We are truly blessed to have your presence amidst us. On behalf of the school management, teachers, staff, and the students of Nirmala Convent School, I extend a warm and cordial welcome to you all. It is now my privilege to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Rakesh Khaka, Additional Superintendent of Police, son of late Mr. M. Khaka. Mr. Rakesh Khaka is currently serving as the Additional Superintendent of Police in Ratlam. Born on June 12, 1973, Sir completed his primary education from Bilaspur, Raipur, and Balaghat, and his higher education from Bilaspur and Indore, earning a master's degree in English. In terms of his family background, Mr. Khaka's father also worked in the administrative department and retired as the Joint Collector of Madhya Pradesh. Sir has held various key positions in his distinguished career, including working as DSP in many districts such as Bastar, Bilaspur, Damoh, Gwalior, Vidisha, Rajgarh, Burhanpur, and Jabalpur. Before his current posting in Ratlam, Sir worked in Bhopal, Mandla, Tikamgarh, Hoshangabad, and Indore. Sir has worked in many challenging areas, including regions affected by Naxalism and dacoity, and has been honored with prestigious awards such as Durgam Seva Award, Rustam Award, Karm Yodha Award, and many more. We are indeed grateful for your presence today here, sir. Now I invite Sujal of class 8th to welcome our chief guest of the day with a plant sapling. Please give them a huge round of applause.
It is my great privilege to welcome today's guest of honor, Mrs. Anita Sagar, the newly appointed District Education Officer, DEO Ratlam. Mrs. Anita Sagar's journey in education is a testament to her dedication and passion for teaching. She holds a master's degree in science and a bachelor's degree in education. qualifications that laid the foundation for a successful career. She began her career as a lecturer in Khachrod, Ujjain, and later served as the principal of Jawahar Higher Secondary School in Ratlam from 2007. In 2023, she was promoted to the position of the District Institute of Education and Training, where she played a key role in the professional development of teachers. Recently, in November 2024, she was appointed as the District Education Officer DEO, a role in which she will continue to shape and guide the education landscape of our district. Mrs. Sagar's leadership, commitment to academic excellence, and her vision for education have inspired many, and we are truly blessed to have her here with us today. Please join me in welcoming Mrs. Anita Sagar, whose presence today is sure to inspire and motivate us all. Now, I would like to invite Amreen Khan of Class 10 to welcome our guest of honor, Mrs. Anita Sagar, with a plant sapling. Give a huge round of applause as we welcome ma'am.
जो दिल का हो खूबसूरत खुदा ने ऐसे लोग बनाए हैं कम जो दिल का हो खूबसूरत खुदा ने ऐसे लोग बनाए हैं कम जिन्हें खुदा ने ऐसा बनाया है आज वो हमारी महफिल में आए हैं. It is a privilege to have with us today another distinguished guest of honor, Mr. Benjamin Franklin, who has dedicated over 3 decades of service to the field of electrical engineering. Mr. Franklin is a proud alumnus of Sri Govindram Seksariya Institute of Technology and Science Indore, holds BE in Electrical Engineering and BSc in Mathematics from Mahu. His career in the power sector spans an impressive 36 years, during which he served as several key positions across various locations including Barwani, Sendwa, Khargone, Pitampur and Indore. Currently, he serves as superintending engineer at MPB Ratlam, where he oversees the management and distribution of electricity in our region. We are honored to have Mr. Benjamin Franklin serve with us today. We are certain that his presence will inspire us. His contribution to both his profession and the community make him a role model for all of us. Please join me in the welcoming of Mr. Benjamin Franklin, sir. Now, I'd like to invite Harsh Luhar of Class 7 to welcome our guest of honor, Mr. Benjamin Franklin, sir, with a plant sapling. Please give a huge round of applause. Thank you.
Thank you, Maria, Sadika, and Shifat, for your warm and heartfelt welcome.
This annual day is not just a celebration, it's a journey we have embarked upon together. Throughout the year, we have worked hand in hand, and today we are honored to have all of you here, joining us in this celebration. Your presence is a testament to the unwavering support and encouragement that our students receive from their families, as well as the strong bond between our school and the community. This evening, we have an incredible lineup of performances and presentations that showcase the diverse talents of our students and the dedication of our teachers.
The theme for this year's annual day celebration is Apna Madhya Pradesh, where you will experience everything from dance and music to storytelling and cultural insight. You are here for a memorable and entertaining evening as we proceed through various segments of the event. I encourage you to immerse yourself in the enchanting world of art and knowledge that our students have so creatively put together. Be prepared to be amazed, inspired, and entertained.
In just a few minutes, we are going to unveil a pack of entertainment, surprise, suspense, and fantasy. So let us now sit back, relax, and enjoy the exceptional performances and presentations.
On behalf of Nirmala Convent School, Ratlam, once again we extend a warm welcome to all our esteemed guests, parents and well-wishers who have joined us to grace in this occasion with their presence.
Thank you, Sufyan, for such a warm welcome. How lovely is this evening, Sufyan?
Yes, the ambience and the aura surrounding are truly wonderful.
Indeed, soon the colors of this glorious celebration will unfold and we will be transported to another world.
That's right. Today we are here for a delightful treat as our little stars take the stage to perform a special welcome dance. Their energy and enthusiasm are sure to light up the room. Let's welcome class nursery and LKG Tiny Tots with a big round of applause.
We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. So join in the celebration, it's time to pay our due. That was carefully prepared and brought out just for you. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. So join in the celebration, it's time to pay our due. That was carefully prepared and brought out just for you. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. What a beautiful welcome. Thank you, friends. Once again, a big round of applause, audience.
It is with great honor that I introduce our honorable chief guest, Mr. Rakesh Khaka. He is a person of remarkable distinction and whose achievements are truly inspiring and second to none. His dedication to his work are truly inspiring.
May I now invite our most reverend Sister Stella Angelo, the manager of our school, to present a token of appreciation and honor to the chief guest of the day, Mr. Rakesh Khaka.
Thank you, sir, for your presence. Thank you, Sister Stella Angelo, for your grace and for doing us the honor of presenting the token of appreciation to our honorable chief guest.
Now, we have something very special for you. Our class first and second students are going to perform a dance that honors the strength and bravery of MP Police. So, without further delay, let's welcome our talented class first and second students to the stage for his outstanding dance performance. Everyone, let's give them a warm round of applause.
दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया मेरे इशारे पे तो दिन दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया सारी दुनिया में एक ही फेमस है मुंबई हो या और दिखा दूं तुझे मेरा वाला डांस ये मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू ये है मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू
अपनी कद्रदानी को इस तरह न छिपाइए। अगर प्रस्तुति पसंद आ रही हो तो ढेर सारी तालियां बजाइए।
मन भवन उठे तन सिहर उठे जब खबर उठे के आओ भय सिंघम नाव अगर चले नाम अगर चले बस कहर चले जब आओ भय सिंघम बुरों को खींच के धूल दनीच के रह पड़ जाए भलों को खींच के बाहों में बीच के जब भी मिल जाए न किसी से ये कम बड़ा इसमें खत्म डर सिंह है ये सिंघम मन भवन उठे तन सिहर उठे जब खबर उठे के
जोरदार तालियां।
नाम अगर चले बस कहर चले जब आवे सिंघम
Wow, what an electrifying performance! The energy, the moves, and the synchronization were absolutely stunning. Let's give our dancers a huge round of applause.
वाह, क्या शानदार प्रदर्शन था। हमारे नन्हे कलाकारों ने एमपी पुलिस की भावनाओं को बहुत अच्छे से पेश किया। चलिए इनके लिए फिर से जोरदार तालियां।
Our school has taken a significant step forward by showcasing the accomplishments of the last academic year 2023-24. This is a moment to look back and assess our performance and development so far in order to build a better tomorrow. Let's take a moment to glance at the annual report and reflect on the achievements of Nirmala Convent School, Ratlam. Please direct your attention towards the screen. मेरा ही है।
Good evening, everyone. I am Maria Khan, and you are watching NCS News, bringing you the latest updates of an extraordinary year of achievements at Nirmala Convent School, Ratlam. From academics to sports to community service, we have got it all covered. Join us as we take you through the highlights of 2023-24. Now let's hear from our school principal, Sister Shanti, who will take us through our school's guiding principles. Over to you, sister.
A very good evening to one and all present here. I once again heartily welcome you all to the annual day celebration of Nirmala Convent School, Ratlam. It is indeed an honor to present before you the consistent upward graph of our school's achievements. And I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each of you for being an integral part of this glorious journey. The annual report not only showcases the triumphs and glories of our school, but also prompts us to reflect deeply on areas where we can further improve. We have always been committed to creating an environment that helps young minds to blossom, providing a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of every child's personality. Let's embark this journey together at Nirmala Convent School. Our motto, vision and mission are the guiding lights to inspire every day to nurture young minds, foster creativity and instill values. These principles serve as the foundation of our efforts, shaping our students into well-rounded individuals with a strong moral and academic integrity. I now hand it over to our beloved students to continue the annual report.
Thank you, sister. Let's have a look at our academic achievements. Excellence in academics is the hallmark of any great institution, and NCS continues to shine brightly. Let's take a look at our achievements this year. Class 10th and 12th results, our students achieved remarkable results in both Class 10th and 12th board examinations. The toppers excelled with outstanding percentages, setting a benchmark for future batches. Heartfelt congratulations to all our achievers and their mentors for this extraordinary accomplishment. A fresh start to new opportunities. With the dawn of a new academic year, our campus came alive with the energy and enthusiasm of our students and teachers, ready to embrace the challenges of learning and growth. It was a time to dream big and take the first steps toward achieving those dreams. School assemblies. Daily assemblies served as platforms for unity, discipline, and life lessons, allowing students to showcase their talents.
Let's have a look at our school infrastructure.
Now let's explore how our school fosters a conducive learning environment. Labs and library. Our science, math and computer labs are equipped with the latest technology, while our library inspires a love for reading with its vast collection. Sports facilities. Indoor and outdoor games encourage physical fitness and teamwork.
Let's glance at our co-curricular activities. Moving on to co-curricular activities, which are the heart of holistic education at NCS. This year, our students participated in numerous activities that honed their creativity and skills. Here are the highlights. Art and craft. Students showcased their creativity through vibrant and imaginative works of art. Competitions. Inter-house competitions such as debates, quizzes, and talent shows kept the spirits high. Investiture ceremony. Student leaders were empowered to take on responsibilities during this special ceremony.
Community service and celebrations at our school.
At NCS, we believe in giving back to the community while celebrating the beauty of culture and diversity. Here's how we made a difference this year. Our students visited Nirmal Jyoti School for differently abled children to share moments of joy and offer a token of love. They contributed gifts and resources, fostering a sense of togetherness and care. In return, the students of Nirmal Jyoti School visited us and put up a stall to sell beautifully handcrafted Rakhis, showcasing the talent and creativity. Additionally, as part of our outreach program, the students and staff extended their support to families in need by gifting a wheelchair and crutches. These acts of kindness reflect the values of empathy, generosity that we strive to instill in our students. The special assemblies on Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti instilled in us the values of patriotism. Other celebrations, festivals like Diwali, Christmas, Raksha Bandhan, Navratri, and Eid brought joy and cultural awareness. We also mark Children's Day, Teachers' Day, and Institution Day with enthusiasm.
Let's focus at sports achievements.
Sports have always been an integral part of our curriculum. This year, students participated in district, state and national level competitions, bringing home medals and trophies.
The annual picnics and summer camps.
Moving on to lighter movements, the annual student and staff picnics provided a refreshing break from routine. During the summer vacation, summer camp offered a mix of fun activities, helping students hone their skills creatively.
About learning is that no one can take it away from you. I take this opportunity to thank everyone for their dedication and contributions to this year's achievements. As students, teachers, and parents are the pillars of our success, and together we will continue to soar to greater heights. Let us stay together, united in our mission to inspire and empower young minds. May God bless you all.
And with that, we conclude our report on the accomplishments, activities, and milestones of our school this year. It has truly been a year of growth, learning, and success. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our management, teachers, staff, parents, and most importantly, our students who have made all of this possible. Let us continue to strive for excellence and uphold the values that our school stands for. Together, we can make the coming year even more remarkable. Thank you for tuning in to our school news. Until next time, stay inspired and keep achieving.